Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is a removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, commonly called the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Here with us today, we have a tablet from Onn, which is a manufacturer actually owned by Walmart that makes Android devices. And this device does indeed have the Google Account Lock enabled because, as we can see here, as we're going through the initial setup steps, it tells us that the device was reset. And to continue, we have to either verify the previous security screen pin lock that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, it'll pull up this other screen that tells us that the other option is to sign in with the Google account that was previously used on the device. So over the years, we've been contacted by tons of customers asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset. Or the second situation is a lot of times someone will buy a used device from someone on the internet that turns out to be dishonest and a scammer. So then after the purchase, the buyer discovers the lock, and well, obviously they're not going to have any of the previous user's login information, and the seller has usually long since disappeared in that case, since it is a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. But we're making this video here today to show any interested potential customers that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this exact model without having to have the previous user's login information. The process that we do is something that's done directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer. And the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast and stable internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet in order to perform the exact same procedure that we just did here with this one. So actually, as I've been speaking, I've been running our unlock program here on the device that goes in and deletes that for us. After it finishes rebooting here, we should be able to see that we can indeed get all of the way through the initial setup steps without running into that lock. So just hold on here while we run through those steps to show the end result. And actually, this step is going to go a lot faster if we just turn off Wi-Fi completely. So I'm going to do that there. And then it pops up at a screen talking about Google services. So we have to go and agree to all of that. And we don't need a PIN, so we're going to skip that option. And then there's all this stuff about extra software that comes on the device. We're going to skip that. We're going to hit OK, navigation, OK. And there we go. We are all the way through the initial setup steps. We have full access to the home screen and all of the apps, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. So while we're here, I'm going to pop into the settings to show you exactly what we are working with. This is specifically marketed as a kid's tablet by Onn. It has software on there that is designed more for use by a child. In the settings here, when we go down to About Tablet, it says the device name is an Onn 10 kids tablet, so the 10 just referring to the screen size in inches. And then the model down there, Onn's model numbers are usually all digits, and so the 10013592, that's the model number of this exact device. So if you have one of these Onn kids tablets with that model number and need help getting the FRP lock removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information can be found right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.